Hello friends, welcome to .NET Program Tutorial. Today we will learn what is method overriding in C#. So the method overriding is provide new implementation to a function with same name with same signature. So let's write the definition. Method overriding is also called as a runtime polymorphism, dynamic binding, and late binding. So let's talk about the example. Suppose that there is a company who want their computerized employee details like employee name, employee ID, employee age, and employee address. So let's create the class diagram for this. And here the class name is employee. And here we need to declare the variable and function. And here there are two methods which is named as the first is get employee data and second is a display employee data. But later company decided that instead of they want to expand their workforce and divide the employee into two category. First is a manager and second is a non-manager. So for a non-manager, they want employee ID, employee name, employee age, employee address. But for manager, instead of employee age and employee address, they want uh, car allowance and bonus. So this class diagram is suitable for which category? So this class diagram is suitable for non manager category. So let's create the class diagram for manager. And here the class name is manager. Here the variable name is same, but instead of employee age and employee address, the there are two variables which are somehow differ, which are car allowance and bonus. And we need to use we need to use same functions for both are get employee data and second is a display employee data. So you have question in mind how you can how we can access this employee ID and employee name in employee manager. So we can access this employee this two variable by because we can access that two variable in a derived class because we are declare both as a protected. So according to access specifier, so if we declare a class member as a variable as a protected, so we can able to access this variable in a same class also in a derived class. So we need to inherit uh, this employee class. We need to derive this class. So here we need to declare so we are providing new implementation of the function means instead of employee id, employee name, employee age, employee address, we this is for employee, but for manager we want employee id, employee name, car allowance and bonus. So here this both method having some different implementation. Instead of employee age and employee address we want car allowance and bonus. So for this the base class function are not useful, so we declare this function as a virtual function. We need to declare this function as a virtual functions, both are virtual functions, and these virtual functions are override in a derived class. So we declare as this both function as a virtual functions. So means according to definition, providing new implementation function with same name with same signature. So by using this way we can achieve the function overriding. So we I have already written this program, so let's flip to Visual Studio. So here you can see that I declare those two variable as a protected in the employee class with uh, with two other variable employee age and employee address, and we have declared this two functions as a virtual because these are the base class function which are not useful. So in a derived class we are inheriting the employee class functionality, and we want to access that these two variable employee id and employee name. So we want double call events and bonus. So we declare this variable in a derived class, and we are overriding the base class function in a derived class function. So the derived class function are override here. So I have created the object of manager class here. So let's run this solution. Enter manager id. We need to enter manager name also, car events and bonus. So we get the desired output. That's our requirement.